Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking, and Card Making. Today I have some exciting news to share with you. Fun stampers and spellbinders have joined forces, and beginning today, you'll find FSJ stamps at Spellbinders. I'm honored that Spellbinders asked me to join them on this monumental celebration, and I have a couple of easy-to-make Christmas cards for beginners. You seasoned pros are more than welcome to join in on the fun. I'll leave you with links to Spellbinders and FSJ in the description area below, so go ahead and pay them a visit so you can see firsthand what new and exciting paper crafting products they have in store for you. Today I'll be working with the Santa approved stamps, the Christmas Magic stamps, and the holiday mix and match pieces. For this Christmas card tutorial, I thought it'd be fun to use non-traditional colors. I'm going to take a designer sheet from my stash, and with some eye measuring, I draw in my cut lines, then I trim. I then apply some double-sided tape to the back of my designer paper and adhere it right on top of my pre-made card. Next, I take a piece of white cardstock and apply the same cutting principle. Now I'm ready to stamp and color. I gotta warn you though, I'm no coloring expert. So keep it simple, I must. I'll just use some color pencils to bring out the Christmas cap and stockings. I apply some foam squares to add dimension to my Christmas card. Then I add some clean and simple star and circle embellishments. For my next card, I'll be trimming my paper pretty much the same way. Then I'll use a stamp from the Santa approved collection and embellishments from the holiday mix pack. And that's pretty much it, friends. I hope you've enjoyed this Christmas card tutorial for beginners. Don't forget to visit Spellbinders to see all the new FSJ stamps, dies, cardstock, ink, ribbon, and accessories that they have. Over half of their stamps have coordinating dies, so you know what that means. No more fussy cutting! I thank you so very much for watching my videos and subbing to my channel. Don't forget to visit my blog for more paper crafting ideas and inspiration. Until next time, bye now.